Hey guys, you're looking at another beautiful, super nice and clean, fully loaded new arrival at Car City Inc. in Palatine. This is super nice and clean 2015 BMW X5 M Sport. So it's got M and Sport package, very hard to find, beautiful looking body, super nice and clean. Clean Carfax report, no accidents, very well kept and maintained unit, in a great shape. Parking sensors front and back, tinted windows, roof rack, alloy wheels, beautiful looking body, super nice and clean, great color combination, great exterior over black leather interior, xenon headlights, fog lamps. It runs and drives great. It's been detailed and inspected. There is a front row ready unit. Let's take a peek inside. It is fully loaded inside. It's got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control, traction control. Look at this beautiful leather interior. It's in a great shape. Seats are very nice and clean. As I said, it's got M and Sport package. Memory seats, heated seats, non-smoking, no odors inside. Clean headliner with a big panoramic sunroof. Bluetooth. Beautiful steering wheel. 112,000 miles on this beautiful BMW. No warning lights on the dash. A beautiful, nice and clean dashboard. No issues, no problems. It's got heads-up display. Big screen navigation, rear view camera. Push to start button. Automatic transmission, of course. It's got extra keys. Automatic climate control with the heated seats, and it's got heated steering wheel as well. Super nice and clean unit, guys. Front row ready. Let me show you. It's got here's a second row seating, and it's got rear climate control with the heated seats in the middle. And this unit's got the third row seating, guys, so it is fully loaded. It's hard to find. Here you go, here's the third row seating, power lift gate. Super nice and clean unit, guys. 3-row seating, 7-passenger all-wheel drive SUV, 112,000 miles, a clean Carfax report, M package, Sport package, clean Carfax. Beautiful unit. So if you guys have any questions or would like to schedule time to test drive this super nice and clean, fully loaded 2015 BMW X5 all-wheel drive with M and Sport package, please give us a call, 847-496-4250. Check our website, carcitychicago.com, for more information, pictures, video, and a free Carfax report. Alloy wheels. Let me just go ahead and open the hood so we can take a peek under the hood. Give me 1 second here. It's not easy to do it with one hand. There you go. Super nice and clean under the hood as well. As I said, front row ready. It's been detailed, inspected, fully serviced, guys. Fresh oil. So please give us a call with any questions, 847-496-4250. Check our website, carcitychicago.com, for more information, pictures, video, and a free Carfax report. It's passed all the safety inspections. Front row ready unit, clean Carfax again, M package, Sport package, runs and drives great, fully loaded, beautiful 2015 BMW X5. Please stop by and visit our store, take this beautiful X5 for test drive. Our address is 2232 North Rand Road in Palatine, Illinois. We are Car City Inc. Check our website for more information, pictures, video, and a free Carfax report at carcitychicago.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have a beautiful day.